Chicken Tarkeeb is a Maharashtrian dish usually served with Amboli. So let's see how to make Amboli first. Soak urad dal 1 cup with half cup chana dal, 1 teaspoon methi or fenugreek, 3 cups rice. I have taken the Sona Masuri variety. Wash all this and soak for 8 hours in 4 cups of water. Grind using the same water. The rice will remain slightly coarse. That is how we want it. Use the same water. Add half cup cooked rice to the batter and grind again. Let it ferment for 8 hours. See the consistency. After 8 hours, it has fermented. At this point, we will add salt to taste. Add little water if required. Now for the chicken tarkeeb, we need coconut milk. So we will grind 1 cup coconut in 1 cup warm water. Grind this to a fine paste and strain. Grind again with half cup water and strain again. Keep aside the coconut milk and discard the residue. Now heat a pan. Add oil 3-4 tablespoons. Add cloves 8 numbers, peppercorn 12, 5 cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 pieces cinnamon, stone flower or kalpasi half teaspoon, 1 bay leaf and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 cups chopped onion and sea salt. All the masalas are whole. Turmeric half teaspoon, chili powder 2 teaspoon. Stir fry. Add oil if required. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and half cup chopped tomato. Stir fry till it leaves oil and mash while you fry. Add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and fresh coriander again. Fry till it leaves oil. It has become a pulp. Now we will add chicken. If you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel. Add washed chicken 1 kilo. Stir in the masala. Cover and cook. Check after 10 minutes. The chicken leaves water. Stir again. Now add coconut milk approximately 300 ml. If it is store bought, 200 ml should do. Since it is very thick, you can add 100 ml water. Now add 1 green chili and cover and cook on low flame till the chicken is cooked. Keep checking. Now the chicken is ready. This gravy is little watery. It is not very thick. That is why it gets absorbed in the amboli. Now to make amboli, I have used a small pan, a pan with 7 compartments where we get 7 small dosas. You can also make on a regular tawa. Now drizzle oil. This is slightly thick. This is not supposed to be very thin dosa. The amboli has to be flipped over to cook on the other side. We can see the lovely golden color. Now the amboli is ready. Enjoy. Serve it with chicken tarkeeb.